Hey guys, Victor from Maximal Learning back here with another featured tip video. So if you're a student in college or high school, then maybe you're using Schoology or PowerSchool to manage your assignments. And the cool thing is that you can sync your assignments and school stuff over from Schoology to the Max app. And this way you can have all of your school stuff and your external non-school events all in one single calendar and task list. So you just go here to your Schoology landing page in browser on desktop or mobile. Go to account settings, scroll to the share your calendar section, click enable, and just copy over the link. And once you've got that link copied, you can go back to the Max app, press on this settings button here, press the add button right underneath the assignment feed section, and just input the link that you just copied over. And once you're synced up, you'll see here in the task section that all of your Schoology assignments have imported over. And now I can proceed by prioritizing some tasks, and I can also go to the Plan tab to look at all of these unscheduled imported tasks, and I can drag them onto the calendar to schedule them. And now in the Home tab, I see all of my priorities for today, neatly and easily laid out for me to see. So yeah, if you want to see your Schoology tasks and assignments all in the same place as your other imported stuff from Outlook or Apple Calendar or Google Calendar, then be sure to sync your Schoology with Max, and Max will become the single place where your assignments and all of your other tasks and events from other areas of your life all coexist. Anyway, thanks for watching, and subscribe for more tips on how to get the most out of Max. Thanks.